Yo, what is up? New guy trader here with my latest video, and this is going to be my top three favorite dividend stocks. The first one, definitely heard of AT&T. They're a huge company, and surprisingly, they have a really great dividend, and they're relatively stable. You can see in 5 years they're down 3 cents, and today they're particularly down. So overall, generally they'd be up. Today, in fact, it's a great opportunity to pick up some cheap stocks. I got it for $33, and so even though it's down today, I'm still ahead. Um, a great dividend. It's 7%, and it's got a PE ratio of 14, which means it's not overvalued. The average PE ratio is between 20 and 25. They've been displaying increased annual growth over the past several years. Their beta is 0.59, which means they're relatively stable. They're not going anywhere. They do display some short term volatility, as you can see here, but that it just provides great opportunities to pick up stocks at cheaper prices. So when it did, buy them when they drop. They provide a quarterly dividend, and it's right now it's of 51 cents a quarter. It generally go every 3 to 5 quarters. It will go up by 1 cent. So your yearly dividend at this point is $2.04. The next stock I'd like to talk about is Ford, another massive company. Um, they're a little more volatile. Their beta is 0.95. They've also got another great dividend. It's 7.8, so almost 8% on a large stock like that is really impressive. They're also down today. I don't expect that to last long. That's most likely due to the fact that the Shelby Mustang, the GT 500, has been banned in Europe due to emission standards. That's, I mean, it's a kind of a big blow now, but overall, it's going to go away. They've released a new line of Lincolns, the Corsair. Personally, I can't stand them. They've got pitiful engines. They're not a Lincoln, but consumers are going to love them, so that's going to bring the stock back up. They pay quarterly dividends, 15 cents a quarter, so that's 60 cents a year. And they've in last year, the year before, they even had a 5 cent special dividend. So that's good to see. Um, and the dividends have been increasing in recent years. Now, the last stock I'm going to talk about is a little less common. You might not have heard of it, but that's Mind CTI, ticker symbol MNDO. It's an Israeli-based customer service software company. It's international, but it only has about 220 employees, which allows them to keep their operating costs down. It's strongly insider owned, so the company has faith in itself, and it's not that volatile. The beta is a 0.54. You can see here it generally stays between like $2.15 and $2.60. It doesn't generally go out of there, especially in recent years. It's been very, very stable. Um, it's performing decent today. Um, I'd wait if you're looking to buy it. I'd wait for it to go down a little bit more because it might, and then it's definitely going to go right back up. They have a great dividend. It's 11%, which is very rare. And their PE ratio is a 7.9. Like I said before, the average is a 20 to a 25. So this stock is definitely not overvalued, and they're probably not going to experience a crash anytime soon. They pay a yearly dividend. It's around 26 cents. It bounces around. Some years it's 24. Some years it's like 30, 32, but it's around 26. It was 26 this year. So you can be expecting something around that next year. These three stocks, I don't think you could go wrong with them. Ford and AT&T, now or close to now, going to be great buying opportunities. I'd get in on that. I definitely will. I'm waiting for them to go down a little bit lower. And keep an eye on the Mind CT because I'm guessing it'll have a good opportunity pretty soon, and I want to hop on that. So until next time, good luck, have fun, make some money, and that's about it. New Guy Trader is out.